Hi traders, this is Steve Miley, market chartist for FX Explained. We'll start off in here looking at the light crude oil future in here. That big sell-off we saw at the beginning of the week, this is the June contract, got down to like around the low $6 in here level. And remember the front month contract then was the May contract, went negative, went below zero, down to negative $40 in here. But we saw that big sell-off beginning of the week. Market has rebounded subsequently here, Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday, pushing back higher, relieving some of the tensions that were in that very shocking sell-off that we saw. Negative oil prices on the front month, very super low oil prices in here, even in the second month, and that really panicked markets. We went to risk-off mode, stocks sold off, so a bit of a rebound in here, and that's allowed for us to shift slightly back to a risk-on mode, but it's only really slightly back to a risk-on mode. I think the damage was done by this big oil sell-off. And if you go and look at, say, what it's done for the let's say the US equity markets first of all, we're going to spotlight, in here, we're going to spotlight the FTSE 100 actually, but on the FTSE 100 we'll come back to that shortly. If we go and just take a look at the European and US stocks in here, DAX got damaged, took out this trend line support. Yes, we've had a rebound in here, this little rebound in here over the past 24 hours, but I think the damage still done early this week. We didn't even get back up to the previous high from mid-April early this week. So looking for negative pressures to come through there. Similar story with the S&P 500. Damage with that sell-off in oil, down through that important 27.46 level. Yes, we've had a rebound in here, but again, some way away from the recovery high that we posted in here mid-April. And that does look vulnerable to further downside. So let's spotlight and move in and take another look back on the FTSE 100 now. So we've had a decent rebound in the FTSE 100. Very much sideways of FTSE. But again in here we've got this lower high from this week at 58.33, below the peak in here from mid-April at 59.32.5, and that threatens a potential little topping pattern and real risk maybe back down lower over the next 24-48 hours as we go into the end of this week. So looking for negative pressures to come back through whilst capped below this important swing peak at 58.33, looking for the FTSE to move potentially back lower in here going into today and through Friday. It's been Steve Miley, market chartist for FX Explained. I'm going to wish you all a great trading day and be safe out there, guys.